Hey Breaking Muscle, this is Shane Trotter, and today is bench day. So whether it's a park bench, a work bench, or a weight room bench, all you are using today is a bench. First, we're going to start with our squat or quad dominant movements. First thing we're going to do, this is a great way to teach the squat too, just slowly squatting to bench. Slowly squatting, not falling down, controlling the entire way, slowing down at the bottom and doing a squat to the bench. Next thing you can do, a more challenging squat variation, is the single leg squat. All right, the Bulgarian split squat. All right, so it's a rear foot elevated Bulgarian split squat. I'm going to lower myself, marble test, all right, so a marble wouldn't roll forward or back, and drive back up. Lower, drive, just like so. All right, then you'll switch leg. Kick that foot out so that your knee is on top of your heel, or your heel is just slightly behind your knee at the bottom, okay? Next, we're gonna move to that hip dominant or posterior chain predominant movements. We're gonna look at the lying Superman. So off of a bench, I can try to elevate as much as possible off of the bench with my upper body and my lower. That is a Superman, all right? Then you can do the one leg glute bridge or two leg glute bridge off the bench like so. So two leg, extending my hips all the way, pushing through my heels. The one leg, I elevate a leg and push through the heel. For the row movement, all right, we kind of hit the backside on that Superman like that. I can do a YW handcuff, YW handcuff. If you have anything light around you, you can lift it. Might just be your work bag, but you're lifting in a Y raise. Okay, so that can work as well. Just the Y raise there. If you get under the bench, you can't here with a weight room bench, but if you can get under the bench, say to park, you could also do an underhand row, holding your body in a plank. You might not be able to extend all the way, but you get that rowing motion. So those are all options for a bench day. Next, you're gonna look at push-up progressions. So push, a great regression from push-ups from the ground. That's gonna make it a little bit easier, is to have your body planked, elbows tracked back. Perfect. Hands elevated push-up. Of course, you can do push-ups on the ground, all right? But if you want to use the bench to do a normal push-up with a little variation, requiring some body controls, we can do the feet and hands elevated push-up, where my knees track outside the bench and my hands grab the side of the bench. And if you want to take that push-up and make it a little more advanced, you can go with a feet elevated push-up. Holding my body in that straight plank, all right, and just elevating the feet for that push exercise. Then we'll go to your core exercises. So, a great one is the dragon's flag. I'm going to tighten up, bring my legs in, toes together, extend and elevate. Grabbing the back of the bench, extend. To make your core exercise a little bit easier, just focus on holding and doing a reverse crunch, where my legs extend out to about a 6-inch leg lift, and then I drive my knees in towards my elbows. Both are phenomenal core exercises. Last, your dynamic exercises. You can go dynamic bench squat jumps, or if you have a low bench, you can go lateral bench hops if you feel comfortable and there's no backside to the bench. So those are all options for your bench day lift. Whatever you decide, make sure you're trying to hit something from each category. Best of luck, and I'll see you later.